Red hot dams, hot rods, and muscle cars coming up. Woo-wee. There's a sassy looking Fox and a 1912 Model T fiberglass replica. There's a couple of delicious looking dams and a 1922 Ford Custom. There's a knockout damsel and a 1932 Ford sedan delivery, twice blown. There's a gorgeous dame and a 1942 Buick Special Street Rod. There's a flashy looking babe and a 1952 Chevy Custom pickup. There's a sassy looking woman and a 1962 Pontiac Tempest Custom. Woof woof. There's a teaser hottie and a 1972 Plymouth Barracuda. There's a sizzling looking chick and a 1982 Chevrolet Custom C10 pickup. Wowzer. There's a teaser cutie and a 2012 Dodge Charger SRT8. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the movie, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good evening.